Sly Media TV, building bridges.
Yes, we, as you know, Ward 9, Ward 8, which was part of Harare East, was taken away by delimitation and put in Mount Pleasant. So as the outgoing MP of Harare East, I was registered to vote at Biti in Ward 8, which was then part of Harare East. So when the delimitation came, I then transferred to this polling station. And this is my voter transfer form, which I did. And as you can see, it indicates that I'm now part of Gletrin A. So I'm surprised that my name is not there. I think it's deliberate, but be that as it may, I'm now going to check in the former Ward 8 in GCP High School, which is now Mount Pleasant. But I'm not. I don't stay in Mount Pleasant. I stay in Ward 18, Harare East.
Right, thank you so much.
So does it mean Tendai is used when you come and vote more than the other people in the queue? So we are not important.
So many memories of this place. I went to school here. Oh wow. Yeah. When you come here. It's always a bit weird. So you're just walking to school? No, because my bags are so heavy. I couldn't carry them. Did you take that to them? No, it's ridiculous. That it's walking close by. No, I should have been walking to school. But with the bags, yeah, no, you can't. And the sports bag, book bag, all that. Also, there was quite a lot of crimes, so it wasn't that safe. It wasn't very far to drive.
Sly Media TV, building bridges.